Good morning to all. Today we're going to see a topic called Arduino board in the Internet of Things for the production system, where Arduino board is the electronic platform which has been used for the open source for the hardware and software to give a set of code to perform some applications. We are having an open source software called Linux and then Arduino IDE, and where the source code will be available for everyone to view and applicable for a copy and to learn and modify. Where closed source software for the Arduino board is only available for the limited member, which is like a Microsoft Office or some of the source code will be used. Where open source software called the schematic will be available, where the closed source software schematic can will not be available. Arduino board example is nothing but the Arduino boards, Adobe MCU, and then schematic closed source softwares and other details will not be available. Example, the mobile motherboard, laptop motherboard, that these are all some of the closed source hardware. Why Arduino is required? Arduino where we use applications for read data and to send a command for the particular applications based upon the uh, machines or some other parameters which have been used. Light intensity, read data where the light intensity, temperature, wind flow, finger on button, Twitter message. These are all some of the Arduino which do to read the data, which will command activating a motor, turning on to light, publishing something on it. Almost an Internet of Things, the Arduino will be used in a vast area because in real-time applications we required everything in an automation way to sit in a place and to operate all the things. For that particular purpose, we use the Arduino board to code the program and to use in the industry level household appliances and in all the places where we require. Even for switching on the light and fan, we use this Arduino code to complete that operations. How Arduino will do all these? You're having a microcontroller. That microcontroller is a set of instructions which will give the mm, amazing code to do the projects. We can do a lot of codes based upon the applications we require, and we will send the set of instructions to operate the what we require. Arduino open source hardware, where which is nothing but the circuit board, or also call it as an Arduino board. Can be programmed and also can be rearranged. Open source software. This is a ready-made software. Uh, the Arduino source hardware where circuit board and Arduino board which can be programmed and it will be reused. When open source software is nothing but ready-made software which is available in the Arduino IDE, integrated development and the environment, and which will compile and we can write the code where what we require, and we compile and upload the system to operate that operations. This is called the Arduino open source hardware and the open source software. The Arduino is an open source electronic platform uh, which is used to easily we can make the hardware and software to build for the project. All the Arduino boards have one thing in a common called microcontroller, which is having a set of instructions to follow it up. And then with the Arduino, you can design and build devices which can interact with the surroundings. Arduino boards are basically a tool which is controlling the electronics. Even for example, as I told, the light on the sensor which has been used to motor, to ring alarm, to turning on the LED. For the basic of a small level applications, even for the students projects, they are using this Arduino, which will help easily we can build this Arduino board. Difference between and Arduino and Raspberry. Raspberry Pi is a multitasking one. Before going to the Arduino, some of the Arduino having a single board computer and that is based upon the microprocessor like the Raspberry Pi. We'll see the Raspberry Pi on later, which will do the multiple tasking where uh, the Arduino will do the task which is being given for the particular applications. We'll check out on the Raspberry Pi and the upcoming classes. Thank you.